Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Muntasir and welcome to the American Training Academy, the place where you will unlock your potential to achieve the best in your life. Today, I came to talk with you about how to conduct a productive meeting. But before we start, let's see the definition of a meeting. According to Cambridge Dictionary, a meeting is a planned occasion when people come together to discuss something. So, today I came to share with you 6 tips that will help you to conduct a very productive meeting. Tip number 1. You need to plan the meeting agenda and you need to send it to the attendees in advance. This will help you to focus on the meeting objectives and at the same time, it will help all the attendees to be prepared for your meeting. Second, don't ever wait for late attendees because this will show respect for the people who came on time. Third, once you start the meeting, you need to follow the meeting agenda and you need to avoid any side talks. Fourth, you need to make sure that everyone is included in the meeting discussions. Fifth, you need to turn the meeting decisions into commitments, and by this I mean that every one of the attendees needs to know who will do what and when. And tip number 6, you need to send the meeting minutes to all the attendees. So today we came to share with you 6 tips that will help you to conduct a very productive meeting. Until we meet on next Tuesday, remember, it's never too late to start living the life that you have dreamt about. Thank you so much for joining us.